Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing and it's one that my mum was meant to be here for. It's Roccabox. This is my mum's subscription. She was round today, but we didn't actually get any time to film whatsoever because my car broke and then we had to go and get it fixed, and she had to watch the kids and I was getting the car fixed, and it was just a big nightmare. So today was a write-off, but she very kindly left it here for me to unbox for you guys. She has taken off the packaging, but we haven't actually opened it yet. Roccabox is a monthly beauty subscription box. She got a good deal where it was like 3 months for really cheap. If it's still going, I will link it. I don't think I've got any discount codes or anything, but if I can find any, then I'll leave them for you. But yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. That would be amazing. I'd love that. Thank you very much. But yeah, let's jump in. So this is what it looks like. We've got a few little leaflets. So this box, October 2020. This month we're bringing you AM to PM themed edit. We have all the products you need from a morning, day to night packed in this little pink box, stepping up the morning routines, protecting your skin from the daily smartphone use and helping you at the end of the day with some great finishing touches. As always, I hope you love this as much as we do. So right, let's just make some space. So the first thing I've seen is a peanut butter kind breakfast bar. This is, oh, these are bonus products. So this is $1.99, a simple, delicious, nutritious breakfast. This kind snack bars, gluten-free, high in fibre and 5 grains, bound to give you a kickstart you need. That is 50 grams. It is 230 calories. And it's oats, sugar, peanuts. It looks quite nice, to be fair. I can't actually squash that, that's dense, so that would fill you up. And then the other bonus product is a Flawsome pressed wonky fruit and sparkly water. You save 2 sweet and sour apples. That looks nice. Obviously not going to try these because they're my mum's and she might want them. But she's around next week so she can have them then. These drinks are made with imperfect fruits that don't quite make it onto the supermarket shelves, so they're helping reduce waste by drinking them. They're fizzy, fruity and 100% organic. £1.50. That looks really nice, and that's an apple one, so that looks lovely. I will try that when she comes round next week. Lovely stuff. So the actual box, let's get in. Oh no, there's another bonus. I've got another bar. I've got another Be Kind bar. So that's a honey roasted nuts and sea salt. That looks delicious. That looks really good. I want to eat that now. I'm not going to, but I want to. So now we'll get into the actual box. So we've got Ico, and this is a liquid eyeliner, full size. This is £16. A vegan, long-lasting, fade-proof, smudge-proof eyeliner that lasts all day and night. Yes, please. Single-stroke colour that doesn't skip or drag, but glides perfectly on. The carbon black finish can say goodbye to patchy lids. The tip is a perfect shape to give you control for the perfect cat eye. That's lovely. I'm not sure she'll use that because she doesn't use eyeliner, but she might give it to a friend for Christmas. Or me. Next, we've got a hair burst. This is Growth and Elixir Serum. Oh, she'll like this, definitely. I really like the packaging on that. Really pretty. This is a deluxe travel size. Award-winning styling spray that does it all and contains naturally derived ingredients. This vegan, cruelty-free formula enhances hair volume and gloss, protection from pollution, UV and heat. It detoxifies, improves hair density and reduces hair loss. And an added bonus, it is free from sulfates, parabens and silicones. That sounds really nice, and I'm sure Mum will love that. Next, I've got a Grace and Stella Do Your Skin a Favour lavender lotion. Ooh, that sounds lovely. Very pretty packaging on that. Just really simple. It's kind of like the ombre from the pink very, very pale pink at the bottom here to white at the top. This is deluxe travel size. I've been using this lotion right before bed, and it's infused with light lavender scent to help relax your mind and body. Not only does it smell delightful, it's super nourishing and protects your skin for up to 12 hours whilst I try to get as much beauty sleep as possible. That is what it says on here. Apply a liberal amount onto body for hydrated skin. That sounds lovely. This is just a little one. Full size is £4, and that's from Grace and Stella. So anything I can link, I will link for you guys. Next up, oh, it's Mud Masky. Mud Masky Blue Light Protection Mask. I think this is to do with phones. Look, it's got like a little phone on the front. This is £44, and this is full size. It's finally here. Sunblock for your smartphone and laptop is perfect replacement for your normal day cream when you're not out in the sun. It helps prevent premature aging caused by HEV light, which is found in all types of screens. Mud Masky top tip: always try to keep 60 centimeters away from your blue light devices as well for protecting your skin. So what's 60 centimeters? That's like probably like that far. Nobody is that far away from their phones. We are all like this on our phones. And anyone that says they're not is a big fat liar. What are you? There's more stuff. I've got a pumpkin sheet mask. Beauty Pro. I love these masks. I've had the CBD one and another one I can't remember, an olive one maybe. They're just lovely. They're so nice. This is full size, £4.95. The 100% plant-based mask contains organically farmed herbs that increase cell renewal, hydrate the skin, brighten your complexion. Amazing, right? The sheet is biodegradable, made from natural bamboo fibres, meaning no irritation, and perfect for that little bit of me time. Love these. Cannot recommend them highly enough. Awesome. And then there's another thing in here, which is an Ole Henriksen, and it's a Banana Bright vitamin C little sample. So that's nice. It says instantly brightens skin, reduces the look of dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles, firms. Yeah, vitamin C but with banana. That's interesting. So that was the box, and there is a discount code for these Kind snacks. Buy online at kindsnacks.co.uk and get 20% off with Give Kind a Try 20, which I'll put on the screen for you guys. And you can get 20% off. I don't know why we've got them, but that's nice. I'm happy to have them, or happy for Mum to have them. So yeah, overall I think that was a really good box. I do really like Rocca, and when I put this all together, the amount of stuff in this box was ridiculous. Like, have a look at that. And then there's the sheet mask as well at the bottom. It's a really packed box this month. So yeah, good work, Roccabox. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye guys.